There's one video. Now I can shave. I swore I would not shave again until I had one of those helicopters on video. What you saw was the path of the video on the next block to the west, Leamington. And Midway Airport would be about 30 blocks away, maybe 2.5, 3 miles, directly north of where I'm at. Trust me, when I moved here in 1999, it's for a reason. I'm taking over Randy Quaid's job now that he's busy with the Star Whackers. Him and his wife, whatever that's up to. Alright. I don't know, I'm trying to keep this balanced up on the top. There's no need for it. I give up. The aliens are screwing up my my motor function. So, here. That solves everything. See you again.